Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I am with a new tutorial that is CSS preprocessor Sass. By using Sass we can do lots of things. This is a superpower of CSS. We can do lots of operation by using Sass. This is the official website of Sass. From here go to documentation. You can see the syntax of Sass overview. Click on this overview syntax. We can use the function. This is the function Mixins button base, and we can use this button base in another property of our CSS, and it will be compiled by using a command and compiled to the CSS file. And we can declare variables by using Sass. There is different two files. One is scss, another one is sass. By using scss we can see the syntax is like this, double second bracket, but in Sass you can see this is only indentation, no bracket is essential in here. Okay, I would like to use scss. Most of the developer use this one. In case you don't know about HTML and CSS, I will recommend you to watch some of the basics HTML and CSS video tutorials. You can find my HTML and CSS video from the link in the description. We are going to make a travel website. This is a very simple website. This is very beginner friendly. I am not going to explain to the advanced user. This is only for beginner. All of the styling we will do by using Sass, and after that we will convert it to the CSS, and this CSS will be work here. Okay, and all of the code, HTML and CSS, all of the code you can find here. Also this page link I'll give you in the description of my video. If anything went wrong with you just need to copy and paste them, so everything will be work for you.